Hello, in this video I am going to cover the use cases of C. What can you actually create using the C programming language? Something first of all I want to mention is that it was heavily adopted as a system development language because it basically can produce code that is almost as fast as code written in an assembly language. And I've got a separate series covering assembly language, so feel free to check that out. But if you've done any assembly, trust me, it's a lot of pain, and hence why it's very efficient because it's very low level. You are accessing the hardware directly. Whereas with C, it's a lot easier to use than assembly, yet it's almost as fast. There's very few reasons for most people to use assembly when they can use C instead. So what can you actually create using C? You can create operating systems such as the Unix and Linux operating systems. Unix is the kernel, Linux is built on top of it. So operating a system. You can create assemblers. You can create language compilers. And we could create text editors, which is something I will be using later in this course to actually show you how to use C, and I would say C and C++, but just C. We can also create print spoolers, which is good for printing applications. We can create network drivers. We can create modern programs, so that's literally anything that we want, from a game to a calculator to some sort of database application. And that gets on to the next part, which is you can create and manipulate databases using C. You can create language interpreters, and you can create utilities. So it is very varied in terms of what you can produce using C. You just need to have the mindset and the knowledge to do it. More importantly, it's always the mindset. So that's really it. I'll, over the next few videos, cover how to set up your environment, whether that's on Mac, Windows, or Linux, to actually code in C. And then from there, I will cover the different basics of a normal C application, basic C application, what tokens are, white space, comments, that sort of stuff, and then I'll get into the nitty-gritty features of C. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.